G'day guys, just wanted to give you a quick demo of what we've been up to with integration testing with SmartRetailHQ. So what we've got here are two SmartRetail stores. These guys are both running the latest 117 version. So these are the machines that Wayne, Daniel, Frank, Sajib and myself are using just to test the HQ development that are coming out of Experian. So these stores are both syncing to this headquarters, and if we go into store maintenance, you can see these stores are set up and ready to go, and they're syncing, and the last time they sunk was within a minute or two of right now. So everything's online. So one of the milestones we've just reached is the ability to actually create a host at HQ, have it sunk down to the store. So I just wanted to give you an insight or a look into how that works. So if I just open up item maintenance, one example is head office wants to refresh the price of Coke at the Warwick store. So if we just search for Coca Cola, there is my 2 litre. If I open up the product, you can see the cost and the sell as normal, as you would do in GC today. What you also got now is the ability to see this cost group view. So these are the cost groups that are assigned to specific stores. So if we open up the Stanthorpe cost group, you can see my Warwick store sitting underneath there. Now the sell is supposed to be $3 and the cost is supposed to be $20.55. But as you can see, my store's not obeying that HQ cost. So what we can do is just do a refresh. And to do a refresh, we need to have a refresh batch. So what we need to do is we create that. So refresh Coke. You can give this any name. The store will ultimately see this name in their host processing. And then we hit save. So now that refresh batch becomes our selected batch. So I could potentially go and add more products to that list or less, but that's the batch that I'm working on. And as you can see here, I can actually switch between different batches that are currently in progress by other users in HQ. So now we want to publish this batch to the store. So we're ready to go now. So I can just click on the batch here, open up more details. I can give it a readme if you want. Hi, just fixing Coke for you. And then save. And here you can see a summary of all the things that are actually inside the batch. Cost kind updates, sell kind updates, and so on. Now, depending on how big your host was, these will be a lot bigger. To publish, we just go from the options menu, publish the batch, continue. So what that does now is it goes off and prepares all of the things that need to be sent to the stores. And you can see now the publishing has finished. So now that the publish has finished, you can see the store status tab, and you can see here that this host file has automatically been sent and pushed down to the store. So if we just switch over to the store now, this host file will be sitting there waiting for them to process. So if we switch over to the store, you can see new host from headquarters, click here. And then you can see there's the refresh Coca Cola. So now you can view the README as well as before. Hi, just fixing Coke for you. And then process that host as well. So no need to collect the host. Head office can automatically publish the hosts, automatically push down to the store, and then processed. And from within HQ, we can actually see ultimately the host is processing at HQ, at store, sorry, and the host file has now been processed at the store. So you get complete visibility of all of that at HQ.